The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to talk about the penalties for DUI in Illinois. We're going to talk about your first conviction, your second conviction, and your third conviction. The article that we have associated with this goes into a little bit more detail than the video at learn-about-law.com, and it talks about fourth, fifth, and sixth convictions. We're not going to cover those here for the sake of brevity because they're not very common, but if you want to learn about the penalties that are associated with those, go to learn-about-law.com for the article. We're also going to assume for the purposes of this video that there are no aggravating factors like children in the car or somebody injured as a result of the DUI. So this is a simple, you're caught driving under the influence, there's no aggravating factors. If there are aggravating factors, there are stiffer penalties because it's an aggravated DUI. Again, you can check out our article and video about aggravated DUI at our website if you want to learn more about the penalties for aggravated DUI. Finally, we're going to assume for the purpose of this video that your blood alcohol content is below 0.16 because some of the penalties that we're going to talk about are increased if you have a blood alcohol content above 0.16. So with those disclaimers out of the way, we're talking about the penalties for simple non-aggravated DUI with your blood alcohol level below 0.16 and also assuming there's no children in the car with you. So let's first talk about your first DUI conviction. What are the potential penalties? First, this is a Class A misdemeanor. It carries a revocation of driving privileges for a minimum of 1 year. It's 2 years if you're under the age of 21. Your vehicle registration will be suspended, and your potential imprisonment can be up to 1 year, although this is usually community service rather than imprisonment. Finally, there's a maximum fine of $2,500. Your second conviction, is also a Class A misdemeanor. It carries with it a minimum of 5 years of revocation of your driver's license, assuming that there hasn't been more than 20 years that's passed since your first conviction. Again, suspended vehicle registration. There's a minimum imprisonment of 5 days or 240 hours of community service. So you may not have that minimum imprisonment. You may have community service instead. There's a maximum 1 year imprisonment, just like the first offense DUI. Here you're more likely to get prison time than you would with the first offense DUI. There's a maximum fine of $2,500, just like first offense DUI. Finally, let's talk about your third conviction. This is when the penalties get a lot more serious, although the penalties for the first two are pretty serious as well. But your third DUI is a Class 2 felony. It is a revocation of your driving privileges for a minimum of 10 years, suspended vehicle registration, as you would expect, and there's an imprisonment for a minimum of 18 months, maximum 7 years. And here you're much less likely to get community service. You're going to get probably prison time for that minimum 18 months if it's a third offense DUI. Your maximum fine goes up considerably from $2,500 to $25,000. So again, this is assuming a simple DUI. The penalties get stiffer for your fourth, fifth, and sixth offense. They get stiffer if there's aggravating factors involved, and you should check out what the aggravating factors are because there's a lot of different factors we're not going to go into here. And they also get stiffer if your blood alcohol content is above 0.16. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below our YouTube video on our YouTube channel. We try to respond to any questions within 24 hours if we can. If you would like to schedule a free consultation, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to us on YouTube, iTunes, and SoundCloud. We practice almost every area of law, and we have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience. Thanks so much for listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.